Welcome to JL Johnny's Jeep Life. Today we're installing these shock extenders from Teraflex. When I did my lift last year, the shock extenders were not included with the kit, so I've been driving around with an extended shock all this time, which is kind of dangerous if you're going to be going rock crawling. So I'm going to take care of that problem right now. Join me. If you can jack it up.
Gotta get high enough.
Yeah, okay. Crowbar. Okay. Should be black one.
No.
Which option do you want? You're done, baby. So that's what it looks like installed. So here's the finished product. You can see that one over there and this one here. And I'll come around to the front. I'll just show you the one side of the front, not both. But just to give you an idea of what they look like. The reason why you need these is if you extend these too far, they're going to pop out of this sleeve and it could possibly break while you're on the trail. This way, if it's pushed up, the chances of it all the way extending is really, really slim. So I really needed to add these because I do plan on doing some off-roading this year. I figured I'd do a test drive to see how it feels, if there was any difference. And believe it or not, there actually is a small difference. It's a smoother ride because the shocks are not extended all the way. The bumps are a little bit more cushioned. So I'm actually quite impressed with how this feels. I've been driving so long with them fully extended. It didn't feel like a tank, but it was quite stiff. And now it just feels nice and soft. I'm quite impressed with this. Thank you for joining me here at JL Johnny's Jeep Life. The installation went really smooth. I didn't film all four of them because it's the same installation for all four pieces. So I figured just showing you the one, you guys would get the gist. Yeah, so it went pretty smooth and I'm happy with the outcome. It looks fantastic, and when you're behind me, you'll be able to see that Teraflex. Maybe you wouldn't be looking at it, but if you do look for it, you'll see it. Anyways. My next video would probably be the installation of my A-pillar pod lights. If not, it's going to be my hood, which we're on a lockdown in Ontario right now, so chances of my hood getting done within the next few days is pretty slim. So I waited a year for it, so I'm not really worried about it. If I wait another week, it's not that big of a deal. Anyways, thanks for joining me, guys. Until next time, keep the rubber side down, and we'll see you again real soon. Thanks for joining me. Take care. Bye-bye.